Hey, my name is Shon Hart. I am the founder and creator of Involved Dad, and not only that, Man to Man University, and the reason why you're watching this video. Listen, Man to Man University is a program where men come from all over the city, actually some from all over the state, and we just build, right? What we do, man, when you come in, we talk about every aspect of fatherhood and manhood. Yes, we have an agenda, we have curriculum that we use, but most of the time we do not use the curriculum. It's not classroom style. When you come in, you can jump right in if you like to, or you can just sit back and observe. It's up to you. We move with your pace, right? With no expectation. The only expectation is that you check your ego at the door, right? Because we have everybody in there. Like, you might have been battling with drugs, you might be a lawyer, you might walk in, bro, and a CEO of a bank or organization is sitting right next to you, because we have men from all walks of life, and what they do, they take their mask off. When you enter in, what I ask you to do is take your mask off and just begin to delve in and talk about your process or your journey as a father, and or as a husband, as a boyfriend, whatever your role is, right? I mean, it's just come in with the expectation to leave better than when you've come. So what we want to do, we want to serve you, right? We want to serve you. We want to give you strategies. We want to give you tools. We want to equip you with everything that you would need to become your best you. We don't want to waste your time, because you know how we get down as men. We do not want to waste time. We want to get right in and get out. And that's what we do. But one thing I didn't tell you is that we provide food for you too, homeboy. We provide food for you. We have curriculum. We have, we just really delve into it, man. And most of the time we have to kick the men out because they don't want to leave. So if you want more information, I'm going to give you my phone number personally. You can give me a call. My telephone number is 313-757-1388. And I'm going to repeat it again, 313-757-1388. Or you can go check me out on my website, which is www.involveddad.org. So listen, man, don't wait another day. Don't make another excuse why you can't become your best you, or why you can't be the father, the husband, the boyfriend, the son, why you can't be the best that you can be. If you are struggling in any of those areas, man, please reach out to me and let us help you go from average to elite to become everything that you've always wanted to be. So listen, and not only did you hear from me, but right after this, you're going to hear a couple guys that's from the group who's going to give a testimony. Stick around and listen to what they have to say.
What's happening? This Kane checking in, man. Just like to shout out Man to Man University. Definitely 10 weeks around a great group of guys. Definitely what I love the most about it is coming every Tuesday. It's like a refresher, kind of like, get things off your mind, perspective. When I leave, I feel like, a lot of stress is gone, because you get to talk about things that we kind of wear on our shoulders on a day-to-day basis. You know what I mean? So, that's one of the things I really love about it.
Hey, I'm Kenneth. I came into the group about the middle of it, but wish I would have started from the beginning. Awesome experience. Look forward to next season.
It's Tillman Thompson coming to you from Cafe Raymond, Man to Man University. Everybody has a story to be told, man. And if you need somebody to hear, listen, man, come down here Tuesday nights, man. It's been beneficial to me. It's helped me more ways than I can ever know. You know what I mean? So you can come down here, fellowship, and immediately apply what you hear to your everyday life. So if you want to get some personal growth, fellowship with some good fellas, come down to Cafe Raymond, Man to Man University.